Good morning, Center 2. Please look at the video all the way to the end. So you're going to click on the picture to complete this activity today. You're going to type in by just entering your name. I'm just going to put Miss Crawford. For your grade, put 4 or 2. I will know it's you. And here you just put LA, which means language arts. And each section tells you what to do. For example, for this section, you're going to put the correct spelling in, so I know that's writing. I will choose is, am, are for that section. For this section, I will use the appropriate word here to enter it. Features are teaching. Teaching would be the best word to use here, and you continue, fill it out. And for the last section, you're going to be typing sentence. You're going to be typing in sentences based on the pictures that are on the side. I will not put an example here, but you're going to put your sentence in present participle, which means it's happening now. Now, when you are finished, you're going to press finish. Here is where I want to show you what you're going to do today. Instead of pressing check my answers, you're going to press email my answers to my teacher, and you'll have to fill this out. So I'm just going to put Miss Crawford, Spanner 2, so just 2, subject LA for language arts, and then here's where you're going to have to put your teacher's email in. And if you go back to my daily work screen, I have my email here. So I'm going to exit that so I can copy it. You can type this email in, or you can just highlight it, right-click on your keyboard, press copy, and then go back to your live worksheet. Click inside it, right-click again, press paste. If you're a little bit tech savvy, once you highlight it, which means you know about technology a lot more, you can just press Control-C and Control-V. But if you don't, you can right-click. Now, if you are not able to right-click on it, then you need to type it in, right? Now, after you've entered my email, you press send, and it will says your answers have been sent to your teacher. Good luck, but it will still show you in red if you got them right or wrong. So your answers will be sent to me, so take your time, do your best. Bye.